I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce without blender. Mash roasted peppers with garlic and salt using a mortar and pestle or a heavy bowl and spoon. Add vinegar gradually and taste for acidity, adjusting in small amounts until you get balance. Simmer briefly to meld flavors, then cool and bottle. Label your jars and refrigerate for up to several weeks, enjoying homemade heat anytime. Select peppers, wash them, and decide whether to keep seeds for extra kick. Roast on a pan or simmer in water until skins loosen and flesh softens, which makes mashing easier. Use a mortar and pestle, heavy bowl with a spoon, or a potato masher to break down the peppers into a chunky or smooth sauce depending on preference. Add salt and vinegar to stabilize and taste as you proceed. Adjust flavor by adding vinegar for brightness, a little sugar or honey for balance, or a splash of oil for body. Taste frequently, and add salt in small increments to bring out flavors without overwhelming heat. If you add cooked ingredients, simmer the combined sauce briefly to harmonize spices and mellow sharpness. Cool completely before bottling into sterile jars and refrigerate, using your sauce within a few weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.